Good morning. How did you sleep last night?
Good morning. I slept well, thanks. How about you?
Have you had breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee. How about you?
I'm planning to go for a run this morning. Care to join me?
That sounds great. I'll join you. Let me change into my running gear.
While we're out, we should stop by the grocery store. We need a few things.
Sure, let's make a list of what we need before we head out.
I received an email from our boss. We have a team meeting at 10 a.m.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll make sure to be prepared for the meeting.
Lunchtime. Shall we grab a bite to eat at the nearby cafe?
Sounds good. I'm craving some sandwiches. Let's go.
Did you finish that report we were working on?
Yes, I completed it yesterday. I'll send it to our manager right away.
I'm feeling a bit tired. Do you mind if we take a short break?
Not at all. Let's take a few minutes to relax and stretch.
I received a call from our colleague. They're running late for the meeting.
No problem. We can start the meeting once they arrive.
It's getting late. Shall we start wrapping up for the day?
Agreed. Let's finish up our tasks and make sure everything is in order.
I need to stop by the post office on my way home. Is there anything you need me to do there?
Actually, yes. Can you drop off these letters for me? Thank you.
What are your plans for the evening?
I'm meeting a friend for dinner. How about you?
I'll probably catch up on some reading or watch a movie at home.
That sounds relaxing. Enjoy your evening.
By the way, have you heard about the new cafe that opened in town?
Yes, I have. I've been wanting to check it out. Maybe we can go there together sometime.
I just remembered, tomorrow is our colleague's birthday. We should get a card and a small gift.
That's a great idea. I'll make a note to pick those up on my way to the office tomorrow.
Have you made any plans for the upcoming weekend?
Not yet. I'm thinking of going hiking. How about you?
I'm considering visiting the art museum. It's been a while since I went there.
That sounds interesting. I might join you. Let me know the details.
Don't forget, we have a training session scheduled for next week.
Thank you for the reminder. I'll make sure to prepare for it.
I'm feeling a bit stressed. Any suggestions for relaxation techniques?
You can try deep breathing exercises or meditation. They usually help me relax.
It's been a productive day. Let's call it a night and get some rest.
Absolutely. Good night, and see you tomorrow.